Lele, I am Brittne Fuimaono, and I'm your reigning Miss Heilala 2015. At this time, I'd like to take the opportunity to thank my Heavenly Father, also thank their Majesties and my Heilala sisters for this memorable and historical celebration. I would also like to give out a special thanks and shout out to Kalapu Huolanga from Kolomotua, Johnny Maileseni, who is my costume designer, and also Lassa for being my wonderful hairstylist. Thank you so much for all your hard work, dedication, and commitment. I would also like to take the time to sound out a massive malo apito to my sponsors, Leiola. Thank you so much for taking care of me since the day that I arrived. You guys have been the best sponsors that any contestant could ever have, and I will always be your Miss Leiola. I will carry out your name. But as of right now, I'm looking forward to working with the Ministry of Tourism in preparation for promoting Tonga to the world, and also in preparation for Miss South Pacific that will be held in the Cook Islands in December 2015. And at this time, I would like to invite and ask my friends, family, and fans on social media, online, near and far, to please help me achieve my dreams in making a difference here in Tonga. In closing, I would just like to say that I'm so proud to be Tongan, and I'm so proud to represent Tonga as your Miss Heilala 2015. At this time, I'd like to thank the two most special and important people in my life, and that is Peter and Daphne Fuimaono. Thank you so much, Mom and Dad, for all that you have done for me. And also special thanks to my grandmother, Tupo Bakataupule Tui Halangingi Harmon, for all that she has done for me. I know that she is very proud watching over me in heaven. I would like to say I am very proud to be named after you, and I will carry out your name, your legacy, and embrace our culture in every single way. Mahalo Alpito. Malo apito Tonga, tua fatu. Ya kuota Leiola.